I'm moving soon.
Yes. You're going to be decorated.
No kisses?
You are definitely going to be decorated.
How about a Brooke?
Cake.
Oh, good. The dogs are going to just love you.
There's some,
She's not thrilled with this cake. I can see that. I know who made it. I wouldn't eat it
well,
either.
it's a lemon cake. It may be.
Oh, it's a lemon. That's awful.
Who made the cake?
Who eats lemon?
I did.
It's her second cake. in
Lemon cake.
57
Oh, I think she's getting the
years.
idea here.
She made lemon for a baby, for God's
Did you
sake.
get that one? Lemon cake.
Lemon cake. Who would
But they
eat
did
that?
tell me
Oh, we
she
got
likes
the
bright yellow.
Cake eater.
Well, most of us.
No,
I
she's
wouldn't.
licking and then she's throwing it on the
They
floor.
find bunker or not?
Yeah, you got
Mmm,
Come
yummy.
back.
Really?
They'll come
Yeah.
back and clean up.
Good,
Try
huh?
getting both hands in your mouth at once.
Right there. Hello, dog.
I'm tired.
Yes, there'll be plenty of lemon cake and deviled eggs for you, dog.
Yay!
Look at that face. Yeah, throw it at Molly. She likes cake on her pants.
I do, yeah.
Mhm.
Monkey would like that too.
Throw it at Molly. What's she doing? Throw it at Grandma. Grandmas always like cake on their pants. Especially first birthday cake.
Yeah.
If you put enough on the chair, she'll sit on it.
Okay.
Num num.
That's a nice cup.
You want your cup here? I'll get your
If I had a cup like that, I would drink more water too. I love that cup. Yeah.
You?
Never any
Oh,
cake
Cookie
left.
Monster, very appropriate.
I'm that.
Cute.
Never get-
And the other plates are
Thank you.
Baby
I just
Einstein
think he's
plates.
the most magnificent.
Does she like Baby Einstein?
Yes.
She
There's some
loves
great
Baby
characters in that movie, but he
I know,
is.
I like Baby Einstein too.
I love that movie.
Everybody has
Because
one of
the
them.
house doesn't sound like some wacko crazy thing when they're on.
Yes, it's very calming.
All right, that's
Art was
enough.
complaining 'cause he copied a whole bunch of them for them.